Hello student, today I am going to discuss dimensions of some physical quantities. In the previous video, already we have discussed how to write dimension of a physical quantity. The dimensional formula of a physical quantity is given by m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c. So dimension of a physical quantity are the powers of fundamental quantity of mass, length and time. So A, B, C are the dimension of mass, length and time respectively. Dimension of volume. Dimension of volume. Volume is the product of three sides: length, breadth and height. Length, breadth, height all are the dimension of length. So length, breadth, height are the dimension of length. So dimension of length L, dimension of breadth L, also dimension of height L. So that is L cube. And dimension and volume is 3. So dimension formula if you write m to the power 0, L cube, t to the power 0. Dimension in mass, volume, dimension of mass in volume is 0, also time is 0. So m to the power 0, L cube, t to the power 0. Dimension of velocity. Velocity is distance by time so if you write velocity v, dimension of velocity v, dimension of distance L and dimension of time t. So L t to the power minus 1. Here dimension in mass is 0. So dimension of mass in velocity is 0. So you can write m to the power 0, L t to the power minus 1. So dimension of velocity is L t to the power minus 1. Number 3, acceleration. Dimension of acceleration. Acceleration is velocity by time. Velocity is divided by time is acceleration, or rate of change of velocity is called acceleration when velocity divided by time. Just now you have learned dimension of acceleration. So just write dimension of velocity. Just now you have learned L to the power minus 1 and time t. Dimension of time is t. So L t to the power t take upside, it become minus 1. Already minus 1 is there, t to the power minus 2. The dimension of acceleration. So mass is 0, L t to the power minus 2. Dimension of force. Force is mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. So dimension of mass m, and just now you have learned, you got it, dimension of acceleration L to the power minus 2. L to the power minus 2. So dimension of force is m L t to the power minus 2. So mass is 1, L is 1, t is minus 2. Dimension in force in time is minus 2. Number 5, dimension of momentum. Momentum, mass into velocity. So dimension of momentum, P equal to mass, dimension mass is m, velocity just now I got it, L to the power minus 1. So dimension of momentum is m L to the power minus 1. Dimension of pressure. Dimension of pressure. Pressure, force by area. So dimension of force m L to the power minus 2 and area L square. Dimension of area L square, dimension of force this. So pressure is m L by L square, L to the power minus 1 to the power minus 2. Dimension of work or energy. Work, work is force into distance. Work is force into distance. Dimension of force ml to the power minus 2 and distance L. So in third bracket it will be dimension of work is m L square to the power minus 2. Dimension of electric charge. Electric charge, current into time. Current is rate of flow of electron or rate of flow of charge by time. So charge equal to current into time. So current, dimension of current A, time T. Dimension of charge is AT. Already you have learned dimension of current, electric current. Is A. For today this much. Thank you.